A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. I hope you all are fine. Today we will read new words, and the topic is sight reading words. So let's start. Cow, cow, cow. Come on, read with me. Cow. I, I, I. Ah, ah, ah. See, see, see. Goat, goat, goat. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Hen, hen, hen. Camel, camel, camel. Read the words with me slow. Camel, hen, sheep, goat, sea, I, cow. Read the words with me fast. Cow, I, sea, goat, sheep, hen, camel. Good job. Come on, tell me which word is this? Yes, cow. Which word is this? Yes, I. Which word is this? Yes, Which word is this? Very good. C. Which word is this? Yes, goat. Which word is this? Good, sheep. Which word is this? Yes, hen. Which word is this? Camel. Good job. Now let's read the sentence. First word is I. Second is see. Third is a. Fourth one is cow. I see a cow. Again, I see a cow. Good job. Let's move on to the next sentence. First word is I. Second is see. Third word is a. Fourth one is goat. I see a goat. I see a goat. Well done. Now let's move on to the next sentence. First word is I. Second is see. Third is a. Fourth one is sheep. I see a sheep. Again, I see a sheep. Excellent. Let's move on to the next sentence. First word is yes, I. Second is see. Third is a. Fourth one is camel. Very good. Good job. First word is I. Second is see. Third is a. Fourth one is hen. I see a hen. Again, I see a hen. Very good. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.